know the words, you understand the question, but when someone asks you something in English, your brain freezes.
Yes, sometimes I know the answer, but I need too much time. Then I just say,
Today, we will fix that with 5 natural English chunks. These chunks help you answer questions fast without translating word by word.
So I don't need perfect grammar first.
Exactly. You need ready-made chunks. Today's goal is simple. You will learn 5 chunks to answer questions naturally and quickly.
What are the 5 chunks?
They are, it depends, I'd say, to be honest, not exactly, let me think.
These sound short, but very useful.
Yes, short chunks are powerful because you can use them immediately in real conversation. Imagine this. Lena is in a small office meeting. Her manager asks, "Do you think we should launch the project this week?"
Oh no, that kind of question can make me nervous.
Right. Many learners freeze because they try to create a full sentence from zero.
But with chunks, I can start answering first.
Exactly. A chunk gives your brain time and makes your answer sound natural. Chunk number 1, it depends.
It depends.
Meaning, the answer can change because of the situation.
When can I use it?
Use it when the answer is not simply yes or no.
For example,
Do you like working from home?
it depends. I like it when I need quiet time.
Very natural. Common mistake, don't say it depend, say it depends with S.
It depends.
Better example, it depends on the weather. If it rains, I'll stay home. Chunk number 2, I'd say.
I'd say.
Meaning, this is my opinion, but I'm not too strong or aggressive.
So it sounds softer than I think.
Yes, it sounds natural and confident. Use it when you answer opinion questions.
For example, I'd say the movie was pretty good.
Great. Common mistake, don't say, I say it is good when you mean your opinion. Say, I'd say it's good.
I'd say it's good.
Better example, I'd say this option is better for beginners. Chunk number 3, to be honest.
To be honest,
Meaning, I will say what I really think.
is it okay to use this when I disagree?
Yes, but say it gently. Use it before a real opinion, a small disagreement, or a feeling.
For example, to be honest, I'm not ready yet.
Perfect. Common mistake, don't use it before every sentence. If you use it too much, it sounds strange.
So only when I want to sound sincere.
Exactly. Better example, to be honest, I prefer the first design. Chunk number 4, not exactly.
Not exactly.
Meaning not completely true or not 100% correct.
So it is softer than just saying no.
Yes, it helps you correct someone politely.
For example,
Are you the team leader?
not exactly. I help the team, but I'm not the leader.
Excellent. Common mistake, don't say no exactly, say not exactly.
Not exactly.
Better example, not exactly. The meeting is tomorrow, not today. Chunk number 5, let me think.
Let me think.
Meaning, give me a moment to answer.
This is very useful when I need time.
Yes, use it when someone asks a question and you don't want silence.
For example, let me think. I'd say Friday is better.
Nice. Common mistake, don't stay silent for a long time. Say, let me think first.
Let me think.
Better example, let me think. I remember seeing it on my desk. Now let's hear all 5 chunks in one natural dialogue.
Okay, I'm ready.
Lena, do you think English is difficult?
It depends. Speaking is difficult for me, but listening is easier.
Nice answer. What is the best way to improve speaking?
I'd say practicing chunks every day is the best way.
Do you enjoy speaking English with strangers?
To be honest, I feel nervous at first.
Are you completely afraid of speaking English?
Not exactly. I just need more practice.
When do you want to practice this week?
Let me think. I can practice after dinner.
Great! You used all 5 chunks naturally. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me slowly. It depends.
It depends.
I'd say.
I'd say.
To be honest.
To be honest.
Not exactly.
Not exactly.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Now normal speed. It depends. I'd say it's a good idea. To be honest, I'm not sure. Not exactly. Let me think.
It depends. I'd say it's a good idea. To be honest, I'm not sure. Not exactly. Let me think.
Let's reuse the chunks with new words.
This helps me speak faster.
It depends on plus noun. It depends on the price. It depends on the weather. It depends on my schedule.
I'd say plus opinion. I'd say it's useful. I'd say she's friendly. I'd say this one is better.
To be honest, plus real feeling. To be honest, I'm tired. To be honest, I don't know. To be honest, I like the second one.
To be honest, plus correction. Not exactly. It starts at 3. Not exactly. I work in marketing. Not exactly. I'm still learning.
Let me think plus answer. Let me think. Maybe tomorrow. Let me think. I'd choose the blue one. Let me think. I need one more day.
Here is your mini challenge. Answer this question using one chunk. Do you like speaking English?
You can say, to be honest, I feel nervous, but I want to improve.
Or, it depends. I like it when I practice with friendly people.
Write one sentence in the comments, or say it out loud now. Today, you learned 5 chunks to answer questions fast. It depends. I'd say. To be honest, not exactly. Let me think.
These chunks help you start speaking even when you need more time.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.